Welcome to level 2 Victomind Digital Mental Math series tutorial. So we covered level 1, which is simple. We're now on level 2, which is small friends. We have outstanding levels 3 big friends and outstanding level 4 combination friends, which is combination of small and big friends. Small friends is a concept when we want to add a specific number or subtract a number and we don't have enough beads. We don't have enough beads here. We want to add 3, we want to add 2. We don't have 2 beads, we only have 1 bead left. We want to add 3, we want to add 4. In this case, we engage help of our small friends. So small friends is pretty much can be understood as 5 friends, and this thumb is our 5 who will be helping our small friends, will be jumping in, coming for help, or going back to rest, and small friends will come in. Small friend movement is a parallel movement or synchronized movement. Bees will be going down or bees will be going up all together. Small friend concept is about engaging this friend 5, engaging and getting help of friend 5 to calculate combination of beads of earthly beads when we don't have enough. For example, we want to add 2 to 5. 2, what is friend of 2? In 5 it's 3. Okay, so if we want to add 3, we can see 3 as 5 less 2. Okay, so friend of 1 will be 4, so this will be 5 less 4. Friend of 2, if we want to add 2, we pretty much can make it 5 and then take out 3, right? So if we want to add 3 here, what do? We add 5 and we take away 2. So here we will do plus 5 and take away 2. We added 3 here. 3 plus 3 is 6. We want to add 4 to 3. So how do we add 4? We add 5 and take away 1. So we will add 5 and take away 1. So we are net effect, we are doing 4, right? So we will look at the parallel movement, the synchronized movement, plus 5 minus 1. Answer is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. The opposite stands true. 7 minus 3. What is 3? 3 is 5 less 2. So we will subtract 5 and add 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. So same principle applies to hundreds, tens, thousands, and so on. So the principle again is about simultaneous movement. So if we want to add 3 to here, let's say, or maybe we want to add 3 to 2. What will that be? So we will have 3 is 5 less 2. So 5 less 2. The answer is 5. Again, see the movement. So whenever we want to subtract 3 from 5, it will be 3, will be 5 less 2. So we will have the opposite example, the opposite calculation, the opposite method will be minus 5 plus 3. We were doing plus 3. Okay, so 3 will be 5 and 2. Minus 5 plus 2 all together, one way. One way, one way. the leveling goes from 4, which is 5 less 1, it's easier, and then next level we advance kids to small friends 3, and then small friend 2, and then the last most difficult level is small friend 1, which is kids will have to add 5 and remove 4. It's more calculation, more advanced. That's how the leveling goes in small friends. So when program generates examples, it will generate 4 4s, and then all the way down 3, 2, and 1. And then same thing for tens. Kids already comfortable with tens and hundreds, but the complexity of the combination movement require kids to do some extra operation like transaction type thing, whereby they will have to process. It's not a straight away movement or simple movement of this up and down or even this combination movement, but rather calculation behind. So it's not a straightforward 20 plus 40, right? So it will be 50 less 10, and that kind of thing. So kids will again be going on to singles first, and it also involves heavy use of abacus, very heavy use of abacus, whereby kids will have to do 7-8 examples with abacus. It's not an easy level here. Some real thing begins. Then we come to tens, and then it will be hundreds on. So first of all, in the beginning, we will give them singles with abacus, and however many examples you feel kids are able, and the number of examples will be defined during the class, the interaction with kids. You will see, teachers will see what kids are, each child is capable of, and then depending on that, program allows a refinement of homework per group of students. Or let's say if the group is only, let's say 7 kids, and then you have 2 very capable students, and then average, and then 2 kids who are sort of just mastering and struggling with that concept, then teacher can separate them and give them different settings.